Did you know that this past year, the average tax return in Pennsylvania was around $2,700? Which is crazy because I know people that claim kids and they get almost $10,000 and they don't even make that much money. Do you know what you could do with that tax return money? If you're thinking about buying a house especially, you can grow your down payment fund. That can help you pay for home inspections. And you can save that money to help pay for your closing costs. And if you're a homeowner already and you're thinking about selling your home, you can make some small upgrades that will raise the value of your current home. Also, you can use that money to make repairs around your house that you haven't been able to afford because you didn't have the funds. Now you got your tax return, do those repairs. So saving up to buy a house can be a daunting task. There's a lot of costs associated with purchasing a home. Save up for the next home you're gonna purchase, or if you already own a home, put that money back into your house to raise the value of your home so you get more out of it when you go to sell it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm Scotty Yappin with the Edge team with Real Broker LLC, and I'll see you in the next video.